SULKNATIONtv. In this episode,
we're doing it again.
Well, yeah, we are. We've driven to Devizes in Dorset,
Wiltshire.
It's in Wiltshire.
Wiltshire.
So we've driven quite far because Ed's fallen in love with another car.
So I had some change left over from the £500 challenge.
Yep.
And hopefully, with the change I've got, which was 340 quid.
You're picking up.
We're going to pick up something, aren't we?
Another little bad boy.
Yeah, another little bad boy, but we're not going to tell him yet, are we?
No, we're not. No.
So, very excited about this one. This one's very special to my heart, and I've been looking for months and months and months, and there's been none around.
Nope.
This one's come up, I had to jump at the opportunity.
100%.
So I can't wait. I'm dying for a wee, but I'm so excited. And the car is behind there in the dark.
Yeah.
So I haven't even looked at it yet. So
and frustratingly, the guy who's selling it is a Honda enthusiast.
Yeah.
But we drove up in the Golf because it's cheaper to get here.
But we'll check in with you later. I'm so excited.
Oh!
Yeah, I love the EPP steering wheel.
It's got some of the alloys down there. It's got the full sports lift kit.
Previous owner, he's in he's got a message because he's got all the paperwork. He's only found it. Look at that out. Sucking the air. Yeah. I like the new typical round. Yeah. That helps obviously the cooling, doesn't it?
Yeah, alley rad.
Oh, look at that little oil with a breather valve as well. And where was the welding, Rich, that he had done?
So the welding is there.
Okay, yeah.
That's what it was split on the inner wing.
Yeah. Why would it go there? Well, just that might be doing quite at some point. Yeah, I mean,
I'll get my mate to tap that. And then I'll get some seam sealer.
Seam sealer.
Seal it round.
I mean, they're not deep ones, not taking that stuff up. It's just the same, yeah. What I've managed is that a D16 swap.
Yeah,
That's right. He's bought a Honda logo.
It's basically there's a guy on logo modified.
Yeah, I'm going to do
D16. We could have before Christmas. D16 number 4.
I mean, that's a good-looking car. I was unsure when Ed was talking about a Honda logo, but I think it's really cool. So Ed's test driving the Honda logo, and I'm in Rich's Spoon Honda Jazz. This is a beast. Wait, this is lovely. Neighbours should appreciate loud cars. I've always got my foot slightly in on the clutch when I'm driving around. Oh, this is a bit of kit. Well, yeah, if we're invited up, Rich, then we'll definitely come up and do some proper daylight sort of filming on this bad boy.
Yeah, cool.
You taking it to any shows this year?
Yeah, I'm off to Mims.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, off to Mims in March.
Steering wheel, everything, mate. They're lovely. Oh, listen to that sound.
Might keep the pot on it, shall I?
I'm not gonna lie, I'm jealous. This is spectacular, mate. And this was a lockdown project. This does seem like a very a nice neighbourhood.
Yeah, it's not too bad, really.
I love the yellow as well. My first car was a yellow Mini. Tasty. So yeah, this is a beast, and we will be doing more on it. I will gladly drive as far as I need to drive to do a feature on this car. What a beast. What a beast.
Did you like that, Al?
Oh, mate, I love that.
I love that.
Thank you, Rich.
I love that. I love that. I was thinking, Rich, I was driving it, why is the windscreen so big? And I realised there's no rear view mirror.
No, exactly.
or sunvisors. Maybe he's completely stripped it out, but I'll find all that.
The thing is, there is a guy. Did you message him?
Which one?
That's got the interior.
Yeah, he said he didn't have all of it though, but I've managed to find someone who's breaking one of these up north.
Okay.
Who's gonna do all the bits and
I'll
stuff.
show you the alloys.
Yeah. So we put them in, shall we? Mate, it drove nice.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's a bit,
It's nice, isn't it?
it's a bit boaty, but I think that's
the top. It's dropped on 50mm spring.
that's for me to work on. I can do this.
It's a lovely bit of kit.
The only thing you're going to get to make it less boaty is coilovers, but you're looking at 600 quid.
Yeah. Well, we'll just have to...
Yeah, 600 quid.
Yeah.
That's one of the other reasons I just went, yeah.
It's a project, mate. It's a
Yeah.
long. These
I
are long.
haven't even started on the EP3 yet.
No.
And the Fiat hasn't moved in about 2 years.
I can see why I wanted rid, but I'm in the
Which one's your daily?
It drives nice, mate.
That's
See? It's like that's mental. I'm tripping the wheels.
I mean, you know, Ed's here to look at a Honda logo, and I've essentially just been the let's drive Ed up here to look at another car, but I got to experience this, and
This is gonna take some fuel
that
on the
was
way back.
awesome. Absolutely awesome.
This is a great one for fuel, isn't it?
what's that?
Far off on the way, and you carry a spare anyway.
Yeah.
I might carry one of them as a spare.
Yeah.
It's nice. I'm surprised by it. Got a lot of work to do on it though. A lot
Dude,
of work.
dude, all I'm thinking about is
Yeah.
that jazz.
Do you like it? Shall I go and find a yellow Jazz next?
Man, honestly,
Yeah.
the car is fucking savage.
And it's not even K-swapped yet or K20.
No, it's
Well,
savage.
it's got the same, the 1.5
the way,
engine in
the way
it.
he was driving it, savage, awesome. Although, you know, I'm surprised the police didn't follow us in the end.
Brand new Tinasonic blue
Ooh.
and lacquer.
See, it is blue. You said it's purple.
It looks
It
purple.
is purple, but they call it Sonic
Sonic
blue.
blue. Oh, I still win.
Well, that's a brand new tin.
Nice, so I can wear I can touch up, I can do. can't I?
Exactly.
Oh, legend. Right.
You want to do some paperwork?
Paperwork, I'll give you some cash and then transfer a little bit into your bank, if that's all right?
You got the key?
Yeah, I've got the key. I did bring the radio, but you've got all the gubbins, but it doesn't fit in the back of my radio, so I've got a
Aw.
quiet journey. I picked up today, which a skunk 2 weighted gear knob for it.
Okay, yeah.
Oh.
So, we are at Sedgemoor Services. It is midnight, isn't it, Ed?
I'm fucking freezing!
It's about 0 degrees, if not slightly minus something.
Minus.
And Ed is now the proud owner
Yes.
of
Honda logo!
I mean, look at it.
The lovely logo.
Let's do a little quick.
I don't think that number plate's legal.
No, probably not.
Raised.
But,
Look at that.
you know, for what you paid for it, which
Yeah.
was very little.
£350. So £10 over my budget of £340, but look what we got. That number plate's illegal.
Yeah. But you didn't get pulled by the police, even though we stopped off in a petrol
No, they
station in
didn't- they didn't care,
Wiltshire.
did they?
No.
Oh,
So,
yeah, look at that beastie, isn't it?
I
We
mean-
could do a lot to this. This could be some fun.
it's going to be great. So basically,
That's not open yet.
no, but I've had a rear wiper delete.
Yeah,
anyway,
yeah.
let's not
Rear
say
wiper
too
delete.
much about it because
Yeah.
we'll do a little tour round.
Needs an aerial.
Yeah, we'll go somewhere with lots of light. Not today,
Yes,
because today is now another day, and we're both knackered, cold.
I want to go to bed.
And yeah, it is bedtime for us, isn't it, Ed?
Yes, we
So
are way past our bedtime.
we're in
Friday night.
Somerset. We've still got about 40 minutes left to go.
Yeah.
But yeah, all in all, successful, wasn't it, mate?
I love my logo.
Oh,
I
and
love it. I love it.
I want one now because I think they look sick.
I'll look out for one for you.
Yeah, definitely.
Because I am the buying man.
And you're the bargain hunter.
Yes.
You are.
Yeah.
Anyway.
but the chap we bought it off, he's the bargain.
Oh,
hunter.
mate.
What he was telling
yeah,
us,
Rich,
what he's done.
Richie, we are going to see more of on the channel.
Yes. Yes.
Very much so. So, yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, Rich.
Yeah, Rich was a great host, very gracious.
Honda bloke through and through. Well,
Oh,
Jack bloke
definitely.
through
Well,
and
yeah,
through.
yeah. He seems to have. He's owned more cars than Ed.
I don't think he has.
Oh,
I
all
just
right.
didn't have him on the pictures on my phone.
No, that's very true. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. He has all of the pictures. Which
Thing
is
is,
great.
I don't own cars long enough to take a picture of the car.
Yeah, oh, here's the car. Oh no, it's gone.
Let's go.
So,
Let's go home.
yeah, we hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, then please subscribe, turn on notifications, and find us on social media. And until the next time, I've been me, you've been you, Ed's been Ed, and well done for that.
I think we should name the channel to Ed's Car Diaries or Ed's Car Challenge Buying Series.
Yeah, that's not going to
Something
happen.
like
Yeah, I'm going to get back in my car.
Bye.
Bye.